Let's take a look at some of the presets and settings for Podium. First, just click on the gear, and you have various different options for Podium. You can set the image size, you can set where you want to save the actual rendering, as well as the format. You also have these different presets that allow different lighting, for example, for an interior or exterior rendering. Now, if you need something quick, you can of course use the interior preview, but I think we have our settings down pretty good, so we can use the default interior. You can also click on the environment, and this is where you can control the intensity and exposure of the sunlight, as well as control various different options. In our rendering, we're going to turn on shadows, and since we're north facing, I know we're not going to get a lot of light, so I'm going to bump up the sun and sky brightness as high as possible. We're also going to check soft omni lights. This makes the lights look more realistic, however, it is a longer render time. We'll also select geometry caching, as this makes it faster to render in case you make any changes and need to cache all of that geometry again. The last one is just automatic materials, and I usually just always have this selected. This takes the default materials in SketchUp and sets reflection levels to them. Once you have the option set, you can go ahead and click OK, and now you're ready to render.